Let's do example 2. Tabo deposits an amount into a savings account that offers an interest rate of 6% per annum compounded monthly. He would like to withdraw 10,000 from the account in the next 5 years on a monthly basis till it is finished. He will start withdrawing 1 month after he makes the deposit. How much must Tabo deposit into the savings account, right? I think we talked about this situation when we introduced the present value annuities, right? We said that it's not about loans only. We can have a situation where you put a lump sum into a savings account that gives you interest, and then you withdraw small amounts from it till the money is finished. Still, we are using the present value formula for such situations. So here P is equal to X, then 1 minus 1 plus I to the power negative n, all this over I. We're looking for P, that's what we're looking for. And then X is what? X is 10,000. Right, our I is 0.06 divided by 12, and 5 years monthly, so it's going to be 5 times 12. Okay, so we substitute into the formula. P is equal to 10,000. This is easy. We're just going to put this in the calculator as it is. Then 1 minus 1 plus 0.06 over 12 to the power negative 5 times 12. Right, all this over 0.06 over 12. You can manage to put this in the calculator as it is once, and then what we get? We get that P is equal to 517,255,6075 to 2 decimal places. This is 517,255 rand and 61 cents.